Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll see how to connect Elementor Forms with Google Sheets. It's a no-code tool to make whole process effortless. First, head over to Integrately.with, then log into your Integrately account. To begin, select Elementor Forms as your trigger application and Google Sheets as your action application. Next, activate the automation to add a new row in Google Sheets for every Elementor Form submission. Copy the webhook URL and paste it into your Elementor Form settings. Send a test entry, then confirm that it has been received. Now connect your Google Sheets account and choose the destination spreadsheet and worksheet where the data should be stored. In the Automation Builder, you can also set up conditions. For example, search the title column to match the form name from the submission. Finally, test your automation and turn it on to complete the setup. Alright guys, that's it for today. We just set up Elementor Forms to Google Sheets with Integrately. If this was helpful, give it a like for more automation tutorials.